Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shaw on this lovely Monday. I pray everything is well in your neck of the woods. Today I have a really quick haul, y'all. I made the promise to myself. I said I will not be buying any more Pioneer Woman items because I have more than enough overflow. I mean, it's coming out of my storage. It's coming out of my nose and my ears. All right, y'all seen over the years where I've had done a lot of Pioneer Woman hauls from a very long time ago. And y'all, how many more plates can you collect? How many more goblets? How many more bowls? So I said, I'm done. I said, I have enough. But y'all, lo and behold, she come out with this. And I said, you got to be kidding me. So I'm a big fan of transferware or anything that's beautiful blue and white dishes, green and white, just beautiful transferware. Like she came out with her own transfer like ware. And y'all, I'm here to share it with you really quick. This is going to be a very fun, quick video. Now, some of these items, there's 3 of these items on this table that is not hers. I just wanted to bring it to make it a little bit more full on the table, okay? So let's get started. Let's not delay. We're going to go through these bakers really quick, okay? The first one we have here is her beautiful, the Pioneer Woman rectangular baker with lid. And it is 2-piece. That is the size of it. And y'all, it is so beautiful. And it comes with a lid. I'm gonna have mommy remove this really quick, but y'all look how beautiful it is all around on the sides. It's stunning. So let me have mommy remove that. So in the meantime, let's talk about the dish set. This is the Pioneer Woman Agatha 12-piece Stoneware Dinnerware set. However, I did not get the 12-piece. I only got a 2 set for me and someone else, okay? $55.88 for the entire set. And it comes in the green and brown. Brown is currently at this time sold out in my area. And I'm pretty sure it's because of Thanksgiving. Let's get to it, okay? Look at this beautiful bowl. Isn't that lovely? The scallop edge. Look at the beautiful flowers all the way around the bowl. It is just a stunning bowl, good weight, just absolutely beautiful. And this is the salad plate or dessert plate, whatever you decide. It's beautiful, it's timeless, y'all. Look at this. Sorry, it's not too bright in here, but y'all can see it. You see that? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I love it. The plate is such a good, and it's good if you can go in there in the store and pick it, because 9 times out of 10, if they send it, you're gonna get some holes in it. You know, those baker holes that's in the plates. I go there and I just check everything to make sure that it works. This does come with cute, not come with, but these do have cute little mugs, but I like the glass. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look how pretty it looks with the glass. Okay, we're gonna get to the glass in just a moment. But y'all, that is just a beautiful setting. Isn't that lovely? It is just stunning. I absolutely love it. So this is for $55.88. Each plate individually is $5.88, I believe. If you buy it individually, and the bowls, I will put the link down below to all of those items. And if you're interested, you can go down and check them for yourself, okay? So yes, that is the 3-piece. Now we're gonna come to this beautiful goblet. You guys, go get your hands on this goblet. Look at this goblet. Look at it. Are you serious? She knocked it out the park with this. This is so beautiful. Y'all, look at the beautiful prints. Y'all see that? Oh, and then I just love it. It's just such a well-made goblet, and just only $4.88 for each one. This is the Pioneer Woman Glass Daisy 14-ounce goblet, and it's in clear, okay? And this one, these are $4.48 each, y'all. $4.48, 14 ounces. Just stunning. Look at that glass. Are you kidding me? And it's a nice heavy weight. Just absolutely beautiful. Look how pretty. Let me move this back because she's going to be coming up next. But just look how beautiful that is with that place setting. Let's bring that closer. Look how beautiful that is with that place setting. Very affordable, yet elegant and timeless. And that's what we like. This is just stunning. And I'm so happy she came out with both of these. So you all, I will put the link for both of those down below. Now, the next thing we're going to look at here really quick is the picture. Since we have it here, we'll bring the bakers in later. This is that picture. Lord have mercy. When I saw it, I just said stunning. Absolutely beautiful. This is the Pioneer Woman Agatha Stoneware 2-quart picture in blue. Now this comes in the green and white and brown and white. All of them, all three are equally stunning. All three are stunning. I gravitated to the blue because I just love the blue and white. I don't know, I might go back and get the green one. It's so pretty. Look at that beautiful handle. Oh, it's just such a good grip. It is a little weight. So like I always say in my videos, if you have arthritis or hand problems, this is going to be hard if you're going to serve out of this. Now, however, honey, you put some flowers, a bouquet of flower arrangement in there, that's going to be stunning. Look at the beautiful butterfly. Look at that gorgeous floral, the blue and white, the rose. You guys, just stunning. The footing, look at down there. The handle has beautiful florals delicately painted on there, and I love it that on both sides, it's not just one, it's on both sides. It's just stunning. And I love the pour spout. It's a wide pour spout. That's the inside. So if you want to use this for some lemonade, honey, some tea, whatever, or just put arrangement, a beautiful floral arrangement, and set it on the table, in the corner, in your kitchen somewhere to brighten up on your island, this is a beautiful, inexpensive. It's only $21.87. However, I only paid $19 for it, but it's gone up in price, $21.87. All right, 5 stars all the way across. Y'all go check that out. This is a beautiful picture. This is the Pioneer Woman 4-piece stainless steel measuring cups with olive wood handles. They are at $12.44. You all look at this. She knocked it out the park. The stainless steel, the pour spout on each side. You don't have to worry about it going away or disappearing and mudging off. It's there to stay. This is just stunning. I love it. She's got her new signature bouquet. That's what it looks like right there. So this is the 1/4 cup, and we have also the 1/3 cup. Just listen to the quality, the heaviness, the weight of these measuring cups are just stunning. This one is the 1/2 cup. I'm just so excited about getting this set. And then this is the 1 cup. When I tell you that weight, listen to that weight, the sturdiness, it's just amazing. So we have that. And this is for $12.44, this set. She does have measuring spoons too as well that matches this set. But this is timeless. The stainless steel with the olive wood. You can't get no better than that. It's just a beautiful set, okay? So we have that. And now we're going to get to the bakers. And this little baker is only $13.84, you guys. Wow. A whopping $13.84. What I like about it is that it is a 7x11. So if you want to do a smaller job, maybe a smaller little cake, brownies, maybe you want to bake some chicken in here, not a large amount, just enough for you and a few people. This is lasagna, I mean enchiladas, whatever you decide, whatever casserole you decide to bake in here, brownie. I mean, this little thing is just amazing. As you can see, the top is very sturdy. It has that signature Pioneer Woman, if you can see that, with the top. And I just love it. And y'all look at it. Just look at it. I thought it was so darling. Each little corner has like a bouquet of flowers on the handle too as well. She's got that helper handle there. It's just stunning where you got your mittens on. You can really grab, pull in, put out of the oven without any dropping because you got a good grip on it. And just look at the beautiful side of it. The beautiful roses there, y'all. That bouquet on the border is just stunning. As you go this way, it's all the way around. She really did a good job with this one. It's got a good weight. I love this little blue set. It is so pretty, y'all. Just look at that. $13.84. Are you kidding me? And then this just snaps on just like so. There we go. So we're going to put that one to a side, and now we're going to bring in the larger baker. All right, you all. So what we have here is, let me show you there we go. Isn't she pretty? Can you imagine like breakfast bakes with that? Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so this is the Pioneer Woman rectangular baker with lid. Includes baker lid to set. This is just like the smaller one. It is bigger, okay? That is the size right there. And when I first walked into the store and looked at it, it was for $33. And I thought that was a bit much. I said, I'm not paying $33 for that. Then I went back, you guys, and it marked down. I saw online where it's marked down. Said, well, let me go inside and see if it's marked down even more. Now it's at $19.97. That's more like it, Ree. Okay, so this is stunning. This one is in green and white. Okay, the beautiful top that is on, very sturdy. Also has the Pioneer Woman with the new bouquet logo that she has there. Y'all look at the inside. I can't stand it. It is so incredibly deep. I mean, you can get so much done in this bad boy, okay? You can just really, oh my goodness, I mean, casserole heaven, honey. Casserole heaven, okay? Dressing heaven, macaroni and cheese heaven, baked good. I mean, it's so deep and it's very heavy. All right, y'all, look at the beautiful border all the way around. Isn't that lovely? We're gonna spin it. And we're gonna look at this on this end. We're gonna look at it from this end. And we're gonna also turn it around. It's the same as the front. As you can see, this bad boy is heavy. I absolutely love helper handle here. You're gonna need this with this. As y'all can see, this is sturdy stoneware, okay? This is gonna last a lifetime. You can pass this down to your next generation if you want, okay? I love the decorative on the border, and I love the shape of the handle on this particular piece. It is just stunning, y'all. And this is what it looks like, okay? Just a beautiful, beautiful piece to present on your table and just serve out of it straight up. These are not just bakers, but they're servingware. This is just so beautiful, just stunning. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead on and set this back over, and now I'm going to show you the cake pan that I just purchased. Okay, so you guys, this is another item that I purchased from Walmart today. This is the Nordic Ware Naturals 9-inch round cake pan, and it is made in the USA. I'm gonna take this out. It is an absolutely beautiful cake pan, 9 inches, and I cannot wait to use it. This is aluminum cake pan, you guys. It's supposed to be better with the aluminum. And this one online is $9.49. In store, I believe it's for it's under 12 bucks. I think it's 11 something. So it is better if you can purchase it online. I like to go in stores to make sure nothing is all scratched up on my items. So, but even if I get it and it's scratched up, I will call and they will replace it. And then just last but not least, I have these 2 items that I got from Home Goods. You can always find little treasures at Home Goods, you guys. This one is just stunning. It is made in Portugal. It's a beautiful bowl, y'all. Look at this blue and white bowl. Is it not beautiful? I thought it was so lovely. So I love going into the Home Goods because you find treasures like that, as well as this green one. Mommy knocked it out of the park, y'all. This is one of the most beautiful little affordable transferware. Green and white. It's not even doing it justice, not even on the camera. Let's see if I can get it right there, y'all. This is a beautiful deep green. It's so stunning. And I just love, look at the print in the inside. It's just a beautiful, beautiful plate. And I only paid $5.99 for this bad boy, okay? I only paid $5.99. And then this one, I just wanted to show you all just what it looks like with the blue and white, everything together. This was a gift from a friend. Now, before we end this, I'm going to put every piece that is Pioneer Woman down below in the description box, and it will take you directly to the ad item. Now, I wanted to share this with you all. I was in Costco the other day, and I saw something amazing. This right here at regular other stores is the most I've seen it cost was $39.99. And down to $35. You all, I have to show you, this vanilla is on sale at Costco. As you all can see, that vanilla, do you see it's a whopping $9.97? Oh my goodness, I could not believe it. $9.97. So I went back, Joshua went back and got me another one. And this is the paste. This is really good for your cakes, for any desserts, and just whatever you decide to put it in, you guys. So that is an amazing price. And I wanted to share that with you. That is, as of today, is still, what is this? Today is September 8th. It is still at $9.97. So you all make sure you go check it out at your local Costco to see if they have this at $9.97. That is an amazing steal, and it lasts all the way up to December 2027. I couldn't believe it. I said, well, maybe it's about to be out of the date, and no, y'all, that is amazing. All right, so that will conclude our haul today. I hope you all enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing many Pioneer Woman hauls because I have so many things, y'all. When I move, y'all gonna say, girl, what is in your storage? Because I have so much. I might even be getting rid of some of it, gifting it away to family and friends and people that I know love the Pioneer Woman stuff. But anyway, I have a lot, but I'm definitely keeping these. These are timeless. You know, as time change, your tastes change. And there are some pieces that I'm going to keep by her, but there are some things that I will be giving away. But I think as gradually as time went on, she even got better with her designs. And this one, she knocked it out of the park. And I just think that it's just a beautiful collection. So like I said, I will put everything down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. You all stay tuned for when I move. We're going to be unboxing all kinds of Pioneer Woman stuff and other things too as well that I love in the kitchen. All right, so stay tuned for that. That's coming in time soon. But you guys just enjoy whatever videos I put out, please. I also am praying. This is my channel's birthday is coming up this week, and I'm trying to grow her even more. You all help me. I've been on for 9 years, and I'm trying to get her to get even more growth. And if you can share my channels and also give me a thumbs up and engage when YouTube see that you comment, you give me a thumbs up, or you subscribe and engage, they say, hey, we want to push her channel up so other people can see it. So if you can help me promote and support that, it's free. There's no cost at doing it. It's just kind gesture, you guys. It's just to help my channel grow. And I truly do appreciate those of you who have been with me for a very long time. Thank you so much for your support. And those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I truly do appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. I also have another channel, Char's Disney Adventures. Make sure you go check that out too. That's just our travel. We do love traveling. It's not just about Disney, but it's about traveling too as well. So you all make sure you go check that out. But thank you so much for tuning in. You all be blessed. I pray you have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you soon. Stay tuned for more with Journey with Char. Thank you for watching. God bless. And remember, always trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.